Learn English fast.
In light of the war between Ukraine and Russia, it is pertinent to understand the vocabulary associated with the occurrences. War, a state of armed conflict between different countries or different groups within a country. Soldier, a person who serves in an army. Fight, take part in a violent struggle involving the exchange of physical blows or the use of weapons. Invasion, an instance of invading a country or region with an armed force. Military, relating to or characteristic of soldiers or armed forces. Control, the power to influence or direct people's behavior or the course of events. Conflict, serious disagreement or argument, typically a protracted one. Capture, take into one's possession or control by force. Chaos, complete disorder and confusion. Retaliation, the action of returning a military attack. Counterattack. Refugee, a person who has been forced to leave their country in order to escape war, persecution, or natural disaster. Nuclear, relating to the nucleus of an atom. Bomb, a container filled with explosive or incendiary material, designed to explode on impact or when detonated by a timing, proximity, or remote control device. Arms, weapons, armaments. Warning, a statement or event that warns of something or that serves as a cautionary example. Drone, a drone refers to an unpiloted aircraft or spacecraft. Convoy, a group of ships or vehicles traveling together, typically one accompanied by armed troops, warships, or other vehicles for protection. Explosions, a violent shattering or blowing apart of something, as is caused by a bomb. Projectile, an object propelled through the air, especially one thrown as a weapon. Artillery, large caliber guns used in warfare on land. Rubble, waste or rough fragments of stone, brick, concrete, etc., especially as the debris from the demolition of buildings. Safety, the condition of being protected from or unlikely to cause danger, risk, or injury. Front line, the military line or part of an army that is closest to the enemy. We hope that there will be safety and stability restored to the affected regions. Let there be peace on Earth. Thanks for watching. Remember to like and subscribe.